So I want to talk about the new polarity update. Future Analytica came out with a 500 tick chart version of their software. I think it's overall it's easier, I would say, um, than a 15 range chart. I like it. Um, it's more forgiving, is what I mean. So if regression mode stops you out, you could go to trend mode. You can switch to trend mode right away after if you lose, and then if you lose in trend mode, you just switch back to regression mode. So in that regard, I would say it's a little bit easier to trade with. Also, you haven't checked out my ARM solo series on YouTube, where I show my strategy that I personally would recommend. Check it out. Also, check out I think Top Step Day 6. It's called Top Step Day 6. I go over the strategy. So you could check out the live streams and then you could check out Top Step Day 6 when you go to videos, and then that's where I talk about the strategy. So check out this video of me on the new 500 tick chart, trading with polarity machine learning. Thanks for watching. So after this, I go on to train the model and continue trading. Check out my other videos. Thanks again for watching. Bye bye.